One of the key components of the Secure Service Edge is to look at zero trust network access for your remote workers. Now, this principle says, unless I know who you are and I know you're safe, I'm not letting you in. It shouldn't just do that at the point that they arrive to access your data. It should continually re-evaluate what their posture is and whether they're a threat to you or your business throughout the life cycle of that connection. It's a simple way to take your compliance and your regulatory requirements and turn those into technical controls. And it won't let them access or store data that you don't want them to have if they are vulnerable, enacting compliance in a real time for network access. What's interesting about ZTNA is lots of people think about it in the remote access sphere, but with the software-defined branch and SD-WAN services, we can start looking at zero trust access across the entire framework. So your office can become a zero trust location as well as your remote workers. And what that means is you start providing a consistent level of compliance and access control to all your users, regardless of where they're working. So they could be in an internet cafe one day, in the office the next, but their experience and how you secure and protect your services, data, and your reputation is consistent. If your data center is your remote access point and all your users are coming back to Europe in order to access your security services and then going back off to the region where they work in order to access those SaaS applications, that's a poor user experience. You're adding unnecessary travel and latency and problems to those connections. So the Secure Service Edge really brings you up a level, and your users in Asia can have a local hub. That local hub can serve their remote access VPN, it can serve their proxy and security services, something called the Secure Web Gateway, and then they can go off to the local SaaS POP and get the best user experience that they can have based on those cloud and SaaS services. So it really enables global businesses to stop putting bottlenecks in the way of their employees while maintaining the level of security and compliance they need to protect their data and their business.